of nomination papers the scrutiny of nomination papers of the 379 candidates was done today for the forthcoming assembly polls in Meghalaya to be held on February 27. While 342 are male candidates who filed their nominations for the election to the 60-member assembly in the state, only 37 are women. Interestingly, for 36 seats in Khasi Jaintia Hills, 209 male candidates and 28 female candidates filed their nominations. For the 24 seats in Garo Hills region, 133 male candidates and only 9 females have filed their nominations. The maximum number of candidates filed nomination East Khasi Hills, followed by West Garo Hills. As many as 59 sitting MLAs, including Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Speaker Medba Lingdaw, and Opposition Leader Mukul Sangma are seeking re-election. MPCC Chief and Lok Sabha member Vincent H. Pala is attempting to make his debut in the Assembly from Sutnga Saipung constituency. Several former ministers and MLAs are also in the fray. The last date for withdrawal of candidature is February 10.